How does antibiotic resistance spread? Antibiotic resistance can also be acquired from another bacterium. Therefore, resistance can spread between different bacteria within our body, vertical gene transfer and horizontal gene transfer. Horizontal gene transfer can occur between different species of bacteria when mobile genetic elements are transferred through transformation, uptake of DNA into a bacterium from its surroundings, transduction, transfer of DNA via a bacteriophage virus from one bacterium to another, conjugation, direct transfer of DNA in the form of loops called plasmids between two bacterial cells. Vertical gene transfer occurs during reproduction as a genetic material is passed from parent to offspring. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria are carried silently by us and can remain in our body for at least a year. Resistant bacteria can spread to others through person-to-person contact, mainly via our hands or things that we touch.